I'm Regan Poole. I'm here at Pompey in the Community, a diabetes community kitchen session. They were really happy, they were joyed to see me helping out a little bit around the kitchen, and it's so nice to see them smiling.
It's a 6-week course called Cooking with Confidence for people that either have diabetes or pre-diabetes. It's very supportive to meet people that have the same health concerns as you, are trying to implement the same life changes that you are. Each week we have a little lesson or some practical tips, and then we all cook together.
We have been doing energy saving tips, working together as a team.
We made vegetarian chili, which is a meal that can be reheated really easily. We only have to cook once, which saves energy, and can be reheated in a microwave or something like that, saving on the gas.
Even little things like just filling the kettle to what you need, all those little things add up, make such a difference. After games, I think we're all looking at our stats, see who ran the furthest, who ran the highest distance. Pretty similar really, quick glance at the smart meter and it's no different. So much work goes on behind the scenes, and I'm just happy to be a part of everything involved with this football club.